Greetings. Today I am going to create thumbnails for YouTube videos. Create a project in VS Code and add some photos and add an HTML file. So let's start our HTML file. Giving title. Adding a div for our thumbnail window. Giving the div a size of which should be 1280 pixels and the height should be 720 pixels, which is required for YouTube thumbnails. Giving a background color for making visible the div to our window where it located. Let's sort our window while editing the code. We can see the project. Giving position relative and also adding a text using h1 tag. We can also use p tags. Span is good for the separating every part of the text, or also we can use h1 text or 3h1 text. It doesn't matter. Giving style display flex, and the flex direction should be columns, and aligning items to center. Giving position, making font a little bigger. Let's add some style to our span. Giving background color to black and change the color of the text to white to make it visible for now. Later you can change it. Changing the position of text 50%. Left should be, for now the size is I think okay. For border radius, adding image logo, just Photoshop logo and HTML5 logo. Also add CSS logo. They all have a same class. Let's give some styles to logo. Position absolute with 20%. Changing this size. Top should be I think 40 pixels. Top should be 50%. Now changing every image or logo, every logo's position. Left should be 20%. Image length of type 2, left 50%. Image length of type 3, left should be 70%. Oh, I used the last. So select first, which is CSS, changing all of the positions. Better to use bottom. 20%. No, 10%. Okay. So now everything adding. Let's add the HR for cross. HR right and left. 2 HR which is using cross sign. Border none. First we give border none. 50 pixel. Height 5 pixel. Position, giving position is necessary. Bottom. Right. Left HR should be minus 45 degree. This cross sign is used for on Photoshop, which you don't use in creating thumbnails. So this CSS logo is little bit bigger or have a text on its head. I changed the CSS logo. Let's give some style to our text. Color yellow. White, This red, no, red not okay. So change them yellow. Now it's the good looking yellow. Let's add our background image. Adding background image might change the position of our logos. Let's give a class to our background image to change its size. I think this background is not little okay. Let's change this background image. Now it's a little bit good looking. Adding a YouTube logo. Last of fourth. Left 40 30. Left should be 30. Let's change our text and side by side of our YouTube logo. Nah, 10%. YouTube should be on right. Okay. So now it's a little bit. This is our thumbnail. Let's bring him a little bit to the center. Now it's okay.